Linear guideway, also known as linear slide rule, used for high precision or high-speed linear reciprocating motion. It can bear a certain torque and achieve high precision linear motion and high loads. Widely used for laser cut machine, automation equipment, CNC machine, mechanical arm, new energy equipment, and so on. Nowadays, Chinese linear guideway technology has been very mature. Many domestic brands are sold at home and abroad, has become the best choice for customers to replace expensive imported guide rail. The most representative Chinese linear guideway, Zhejiang Penying Guide Rail (BYG) brand, has been selected and trusted by more and more customers. BYG linear guideway has the following 4 advantages. First, interchangeable. It can be replaced with highway rail, but the price is lower. Second, complete specifications from 15 to 65 we all have. Third, reliable quality accept customization. Fourth, on-time delivery and adequate stock.